Hi guys, join me today to challenge your core. In this ab routine, we will be strengthening, toning, and firming those abs to get you a leaner look. Hello everyone, welcome to Balance by Hina. My name is Hina, and as a part of High Intensity series, I got for you is some challenging core work to target your abs. I have also included warm up and cool down in this. All you need is your mat and yourself. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with our warm up. Lie down on the mat on your back. Whenever you do any core workout, it's always a good idea to start with your back warm up. Press the hands into the ground, take the right leg up and take it to the other side, and vice versa. Keep your shoulders on the ground. The leg may or may not touch the ground. We are doing this 5 times each side. Once you're done, let's roll over onto your belly. Make a pillow of your arms and rest your forehead on it. Let's take the right leg to the left side and vice versa, making sure that the elbows always stay on the ground. Try to feel that stretch in the back. We are doing this 5 times each side. Once you're done, let's come up and sit on the mat, and we are going to mobilize the spine by slowly curling it and then bringing the head forward and lengthening the spine. Let's go back, starting from the tailbone and then coming forward and lengthen. We are doing this 10 times. Once you're done, let's lie down on the mat on your back. Activate and engage the core. Press the hands into the ground. If your back is tender, you can also take your hands slightly below the hip. Otherwise, keep your hands next to the hip. Engage your core. Press the hands into the ground. Lift your right leg, left leg up into tabletop. If you feel comfortable, lift up your head and chest. If you want to challenge even more, straighten the legs. We are going to stay here for few seconds. And slowly release. We are going to do this one more time. Very good. Let's prepare again. Lift up your legs and you can straighten the legs. I'm going to keep my head down for this one. So if you want to lift up your head, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it down. And slowly release. Let's come up and sit on the mat. Very good guys, we have just completed warm up. Let's start with the exercises. From here, you're going to slowly curl back and lift both legs up. So sitting on the tailbone. Bring your right leg closer, left leg will go out and slowly roll back, keeping your head in the air. Let's start with single leg stretch. We are doing this 10 times each side. Every time you hug your knee, you are going to exhale, and on the transition, you are going to inhale. If you feel any stress in the neck, you can keep the neck down, but continue with the leg and the breathing. Once you're done, take a little breather. Again, engage your core and lift your right leg up, left leg up into tabletop. Lift up your head and chest, hands will go right behind the head, and then take your right elbow to the left knee and vice versa. We are doing this 10 times each side. Make sure your hip is stable but your torso is rotating. Feel it in your obliques. Slowly relax, hug your knees to your chest and then come up onto your fours. Pull the belly in, engage your core, lift the knees 2 inches off the ground and step back 1 step and then come back forward. So we are trying to keep the knees bent throughout the exercise. We are doing this 20 times. Excellent job. Relax a bit. Let's move on to our elbow plank. From here, we are going to take the hip to one side and then the other side. Keep looking towards your fingers. We are doing this 10 times each side. Once you're done, just relax, take a little breather. Let's lie down on the mat for our final exercise. In case you have a tender back, I would recommend to take your hands behind the hip to give it a little bit support. Lift the legs up, bring the knees to your chest and open them 45-degree angle. We are going to do this 20 times. In case you can challenge yourself a bit more, then engage the core, take the hands behind your head, lift up your head and chest, and then we do the same exercise. Inhale, legs in, exhale, out. Excellent job guys. Let's move into our first stretch. Extend both legs and arms away from each other as if somebody is pulling you from both ends. Slowly release, bend your knees, hug your knees to your chest and rock forward and back. Now take both knees to one side. This is an excellent way to relax your spine after an intense core work. Taking the knees to the other side. Let's go one more time. And we rest. Excellent job guys, you have just completed this intense core work. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be bringing more of these videos. In the description box below, I will also be mentioning how many rounds you can do according to your level. Once again, thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.